Ciao a tutti, sono Sara. Hello everybody, I'm Sara and welcome back to Italiano in 3 minuti. Italian in 3 minutes. This is the best and the easiest and most fun way to learn Italian faster. In the last lesson, we learned about the greetings, formal and informal. And today we will discuss, do you speak English? This phrase is very useful. When you are new in a country, this is a very useful phrase you can use and talk to the people and solve your problem. Now let's begin. Parli inglese. Do you speak English? This is an informal way to ask. Parli inglese. Next one is parla inglese. Do you speak English? Formal. This is a formal one, okay? In the informal, you simply add the I, and the formal one, you simply add a at the end of par. Parla, parli. Scusi, excuse me. If you want to be more gentle to them, then you can say scusi, parla inglese. Scusi, excuse me, do you speak English? Scusi. Next one is sì, yes. If someone speaks English, then they will answer sì, yes. Per favore, subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. If you like the videos, then please comment on them and like them. Next one is un po'. Un po' means a little. A little. Un po', a little. If someone speaks English a little, then he will reply un po'. If someone don't speak English, then they will say no, non parlo inglese. Or you can say non parlo inglese. If someone asks you parli inglese, then you can answer them no, non parlo inglese. No, I don't speak English. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Aspettare. Aspettare. Wait. This is a phrase you can remember today. Aspettare. Wait. Next one is let me turn on my translator. Lasciami accendere il mio traduttore. Translator, traduttore. Lasciami, let me, turn on, accendere, il mio, traduttore, translator. Lasciami accendere il mio traduttore. Please remember these phrases and practice them in your daily routine if you want to learn Italian faster. If you all want to become fluent in Italian, you all need to practice it every day in your daily routine. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao e presto!